Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to our online class. I hope you all are absolutely fine and doing well at your home and you are following our videos, which is very helpful for the examination. So, dear students, what are the points we are discussing here? It is very important. So, you can take down also. But what happens? Some of the students are not still serious about their concept. So, dear students, just concentrate on the study because we don't have a proper time to prepare our examination, so just be careful. Okay, so dear students, so here we are talking about the matters in our surrounding. In today's topic we are going to discuss the states of the matter as well as some few of the concept we are going to be cover here. So dear students, let's discuss the particles of matters are continuously moving, which is the fourth physical properties of the matter. So dear students, here for discussing this concept we have to do one activity, so it gives the reason that why we are stating the function as that the particles of matters are continuously moving. So dear students, in this activity we need one beaker and as well as some few drops of the ink. So with the help of ink, water and the beaker we can show the concept, that is the particles of matters are continuously moving. So dear student, this is our activity where we are going to take some water in a beaker and put a drop of blue or red ink slowly during the along the sides of the beaker. So here it is your beaker and this is the full of water, and from one side we have to be add here a blue ink where slowly. So what happens, and after some time, so after some hours what happened, the ink spread eventually, it shows that the intermixing of two or more different types of the matter. Here what are the two types of the matter, that is one is water and another is the dye, which is also one of the matter itself. Okay, so dear students, after completing this reaction you can say that the ink spreads eventually throughout the water due to the movement of the particle of water and ink. So in the liquid what happens, some movements are going on. So which two concepts where the movements are running here, that is the water and the ink, both are the matter itself. So dear students, here we got another definition about the diffusion. Okay, so 1 marks question can be asked, what is diffusion? So the intermixing of two or more different types of the matter on their own is called as the diffusion. In the diffusion what happens, the intermixing of two or more different types of the matter, they are intermixing with each other, then this property is called as a diffusion. Okay, so dear students, I hope there is no confusion about the activity. Let us discuss the states of the matter. In the states of the matter, totally how many states are there? Solid, liquid and the gas. So here in the state, matter existing in three different types or three different states, that is the solid, liquid and the gas. So what is the properties of the solid? That solid shape as a definite shape. So you can see this image, it is very definite shape and it's having the fixed volume, and the space between the particle is very minimum because the particles of the matters are attached with each other very closely. Okay, so what happened, the solids have a definite shape and fixed volume. So the space between the particle is minimum because there is no space between the particles, so the space is little bit less here, or you can say that the space between the particle is minimum. And the third one is the force of attraction between the particle is maximum because the particles are attached with each other. So you can see in this image how the particles are attached with each other. so there is a no space, as well as the movement of the particle is also minimum. Fifth one is they are least compressible, so it cannot be compressed. Okay, it cannot be compressed, you cannot push it, you cannot do any kind of the thing. So here what is the main concept? The movement of the particle is a minimum and they are least compressible. And fifth one, the rate of diffusion is heat. Okay, so after heating procedure the rate of diffusion is going to be held out here. So this is the first state of matter, that is the solid. Now let's discuss the concept of the liquid. In the liquid what happen? In liquids have a no definite shape but have a fixed volume. So you can see the image, this is one of the bottle, it carrying some amount of any kind of the liquid. So here the liquid's particles is intermediate, the particles are partially attached with each other. The force of attraction between the particle is intermediate, means neither a greater inability nor a least inability, it is a intermediate. Okay, so it shows the intermediate reaction. And the movement of the particle is also intermediate, means neither a fast nor a full slow, it is a intermediate. They are a less compressible as compared to the another things. The least is very compressible, so they are less compressible. And fifth one, their rate of diffusion is more than solids. Yeah, because the particles of the solid is closely attacked with each other, whereas the solid particles are liquid particles are what happen, they are partially attached with each other. Now dear students, I hope there is no confusion in the liquid, so go just take down all the points, it is very important. Okay, so now let's discuss here the state of gas. Okay, so here in these properties of the gases, what are the main things we have to discuss here? That is the first one, that gas have a no space. Okay, that gas have a no. Students, when we are talking about the properties of the gases have a no definite shape. Okay, gases have a no definite shape, and the space between the particle is maximum because the molecules are freely in nature. The space between the particle is a maximum. The force of attraction between the particle is minimum. Yeah, because the atoms are not held together in a very strong manner, so the force of attraction between the particle is a minimum. The movement of the particle is also maximum. So here why it is a maximum? Because this is the gaseous in nature, so it can be easily passed or it can be easily movement. They are most compressible. So you can take a simple example about the CNG, that is more compressible or most compressible activity. Okay, so the sixth one, their rate of diffusion is more than solid and liquid. So what happened? The matters are intermixing with each other. So as compared to the solid and the liquid, the rate of diffusion is more than solid and liquids. So dear students, now you can see in one image itself that how the matters are attaching with each other. So it's solid, it's having the some particles which are very strong. So dear students, in this image you can see here how the solid particles are attached with each other, liquid particles are partially attached with each other, and the gaseous particles are free in nature. Okay, so I hope there is no confusion. So dear students, this is the summary of that is how the change of states are to be done. So when solid is heated, it changes into liquid. So as I told, when the solid state it heated, it going to be changed in a liquid state, and this liquid state again heated, then what happened? It will going to be gaseous state. So after reaching the gaseous state, when you want to become cool to the substance, it will going to be convert into liquid state, and again if you are going to cool it or freeze it, then what happen, the matter will come the same state, that is the solid state. So this is one of the example that if ice is heated, it changes into water, and it water is heated, it changes into steam. If steam is cooled, then it changes into again water. If water is cooled, it changes like a ice. So this is your example. So here you can see in this image that how the ice particles are close together and cannot move about, and next after reaching the liquid, the particles move faster and further apart, means the ice is melting. So what happened, the movement of faster and further apart, and later on what happened, the particles are apart and move very quickly and randomly. So because it become gaseous in nature. So these are the change of the state. Now dear students, till now we have done the changes of state, we have learned the some activity that to show the physical properties of the matter. So dear students, again we will meet in the next class with the new concept, that is the melting, and another substances are there, another things are there which I have to be discussed here. So dear students, be ready with the concept, take down the points, because when you will go to the textbook it gets confused. So here only few of the points are there which you have to be keep in your mind while solving the question answers. So dear students, I hope you will do. So we will meet in the next class with new hopes, new energy. So be ready. Till that time, just say bye bye.